Hello guys! Welcome back to my vlog! Today, we're gonna do a DIY t-shirt. Here's the materials. A boiling water. Oh, this is very hot. So guys, you need an adult to help you with this. Okay guys? Tie-dye colors. I have 3. Red, orange, and green. Wooden stick. And a cup. So, let's do it. So first, we need to remove the powder from the top, so that's where we can cut it. Just make a little hole. Now we're gonna put it right here, right, Mai? So we're gonna put it. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. There's still more. We need to remove it all. Okay, now that's done. So we need to put hot water now, Mami. Okay. Ate, can you help me with this? This is too... Okay. Put it. Then I will stir it. Okay. Stir. Okay. Oh. Just put a little more. Oh, that's enough, Ate. Oh. Guys, look at this. Do you see it? That's not orange. Is it nothing? Is this orange? Oh, okay. Okay, now that's done. So where do we put it? Okay, just put. So, how we can put this mixture is a funnel, guys. So, Ate, can you open the bottle? So, put the funnel on the empty bottle. And Ate, how about you can do it so I can hold it? Oh. Very hot. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, we didn't pasahan. That's too much. Okay, this could work. Okay, that is really not good. Okay. Oh, there's still more. Oh, it's so hot. Okay. Now guys, it's fully full. Not fully full, but it's still okay. There's some drops of it. Okay. So guys, we're going to the next one. So what are we going to do? It's red. I think, is red your favorite color? Oh, mine too. Okay, now let's check it. Okay, everything is on the bottom. Okay. Oh, that's a little one. Just put a little more. And there you go. Ate, do I put it out? Okay, put it. Oh, that's a lot of red. That's a lot of red. How I start? Oh, it's now ready. Okay, just stir it. Tell me to stop, Ate. Okay, it's done. So now we will put the red color in the bottle. Ate? Okay. Now put the basahan there.
Hold the bottle.
Hold it.
Bigla.
Oh, now let's do the third one. So grab the bottle. I'll be getting this. Is it okay, Ate? Okay, let's put it. Ate, you remove the other things. Oh, it is green. But the circle is green and the middle is black. Okay. Here it is. I will be holding it. bigla eh. Oh, it just stayed. Oh, please don't. Okay, guys. Okay, the bottles are now fully filled, guys. Okay. So, guys, here's the 3 colors we're going to use for the DIY tie-dye. Red. Wait. Alright, this is orange, red, and green. So, guys, we're gonna soak this white cloth. Okay. Ate, can you draw all the water out of that? Okay, Ate is going out of the water. Okay, now everything is dry. So we're gonna make a design for our tie-dye t-shirt. Okay, let's grab that. So we're gonna put rubber bands in our tie-dye t-shirt. Okay. There we go. Now we'll just okay. Now that is fully put, grab another one. Hold it right about here. That is good. Grab another one. And that's the second one. So we'll grab the last one, the last rubber band. So we can put the last. Right now we put it there. Okay, it's a little bit hard. Oh, I forgot, guys. I have to put another one here for the last design. So let's grab it. There we go. And that's it. Put them one more. It's very hard, guys, because it's soaked in water. Okay, guys. There it is. Our tie-dye t-shirt. Ta-da! So now, guys, we're gonna put the first color, red. So here's the first one. So very careful. Oh, it's good. Okay. Oh, little droppings there. Okay, Ate, can you turn it? Okay, there's still white here. Okay, let's get every single white and done. Oopsie, there's still one. Oh, there it is. Oh, more. Everything is done. Put a little more, and everything is done, Ate. Oh, the next one is orange. There we go. Oh, see, I forgot. Oh, that's hot.
Not full.
Okay. More and how about that's done. Now it's time for green time. Okay. Oh, that is green. Okay, let's see. Please don't spill. Okay. I think that is it. Now And that is done, guys. Ta-da, guys! It's now done. So it's still dripping some of the color, so we will leave it here to dry. So guys, we will be right back to show you how it will be.
The next day.
Hello guys, today we're gonna reveal our tie-dye t-shirt that we tried yesterday. So I said we'll be right back yesterday, but it was still wet, so we're gonna do it again. Okay, first thing is to remove the rubber band. You need the scissors, not your hands, because it will be hurtful because it will pop. Now first, sorry, ma'am, can you remove that? Okay, go to. Okay. Okay. Oh, we already see something. I already see some designs. Oh, that's good. Oh, there we go. And let's put it here. Oh, guys, I'm seeing something. Wow, guys, look at this! Look at this, guys! Look at this design! Oh my god! Do you see that, guys? It's so cool! Now, we need to soak it in water. Wash it. So, guys, here's our water. So, just put that there. Soak it for a sec. We need to wash it so everything is dry. Alright, now it's done. Do I put it here to dry or to squeeze it? I have to squeeze it now. Come on, guys. Oh, there we go. Now look at the finished result, guys. Look at this, guys! This is so cool! If you do like this project and this video, please press like, subscribe, and share this with a friend that needs this project to your school. See you on my next vlog. Thank you, guys! Bye!